It's another walking day. It's a nice day today. Kaya ba't mag-iin na ako? Uwi na ako. Tapos na ako ng walking. So nakapag 7,000 steps ako today. So i-continue ko ang walking ko sa bahay. Sa gardening. So maganda ang panahon today. Wala nang rain. Woodpecker. Maraming ganito dito sa Ohio. Delaware County. Let's go home. So, continue natin ang ating walking sa garden. Work ako sa garden today kasi walang ulan. So, perfect day. And then, a little bit chilly. Nasa 60s, 50s kami kanina nung pagising namin. And then, naging 60s. Hopefully, I don't know kung makaabot ba ito ng 70 today. Oops. But lahat ng dahon ay tumubo na. Lahat ng kahoy. Ilang miles na ba? Oh, nakapag ano na pala ako. Nakapag 77 minutes of walk. Sige kasi ako pahinga. May na-practice ng shooting. It's the Memorial Weekend. Kaya lahat ay nasa bahay. Holiday tomorrow, Memorial Day. So thank you. Have a nice day, guys. Have a nice Memorial Day weekend. Enjoy your day. Uwi na tayo. Nilagyan nila ito ng rope. Yung winter. Meron ditong picnic table. So, you can